Morning, everyone. It's June 18th. It's actually about 7 a.m. So this video, and this is Nathan S., Ultimate Traders on Reddit. You could find me on Reddit. So this is regarding taking a loss, if you decide to take a loss. So this is actually made to help out Ultimate Traders, help out my elite group, maybe some of you over on YouTube. But actually yesterday, at least a few of my members of the elite group decided to take a loss. So unlike other people on YouTube, that guy, I saw a video about this guy, Trey, another video with this guy, Matt Kors, and these guys were addressing what's going on with AMC. So the difference between me and them, these guys are on YouTube. They are entertainers. They are entertainers. They do videos. They say things. They do interviews, and they make money on views. All right. These people are not traders. They do not care what happens to you. But anyway, on that video, they were clearly saying AMC is just a trade. You know, it doesn't have fundamentals. It's just a trade. Obviously, I'm in the same boat, but I'm saying these two people, they're young. I'm not old either, but I've been trading longer than they've been living. I don't know how old Matt is, but Trey said on CNBC he's 23 years old. Listen, I've been trading longer than 23 years because I've been trading since I was a little kid. So anyway, the whole point of that, saying that, is these people are entertainers. Okay, they don't know anything about trading. I would have an open discussion with these people about trading. That is a complete joke. These are entertainers going on YouTube and acting like they know something about trading to get views, and they make money on views. They don't even care what happens to you, and they have a whole bunch of followers. They don't care what happens to you. Me, on the other hand, I am a trader. I am not an entertainer. I did not come on YouTube and said, hey, let me say some outrageous things. Let me see AMC to 1,000 or 5,000 or 500,000 so that I could get a whole bunch of page views and have a whole bunch of people that go, oh, Nathan is the best. No, I'm a trader. I did not come on YouTube to do that. I'm on YouTube right after I went on Reddit. Like after a few months on Reddit, I just said, hey, let me go on YouTube and let me see if there's another stream. Let me see if there's a possibility. But my goal on YouTube is not to make money. It might be like another source of income later on. If I get enough followers and this Ultimate Traders takes off, I am going to live stream trades so everyone can see Nathan S. from Queens is not a myth. Not a myth. I'm not going to have this background. It's going to be professional. But anyway, the only reason I say that is I care about everyone that I actually say a symbol to. Okay? And I'm not pushing just AMC. Okay? My plays list is 108 symbols right now, 108 tickers that I'm ready to trade today. And the big difference is I care. And the reason I say this is because yesterday some people in my league group took a loss. Okay. Now, in any case, even with Ultimate Traders, if I find out people are taking losses on anything that I recommend, I am not happy about it. But the elite group is about 50 members that trade with me daily. So when they take a hit, it definitely does not sit well with me. So I'm not disappointed in any of them for taking a loss. Everyone has their own goals and their own strategy. And for me, if someone takes a loss on a stock symbol, to me, the only way to do that is if you're jumping into another opportunity. If we're selling at a loss, a stock like 1W, which makes cash, which actually said they're gonna do a $1.80 special dividend, which is about $30 million. The company is barely over $500 million at this point because the stock has dropped. I mean, come on. If you're taking a loss on TX, come on. These are companies that are profitable. So if you're jumping into another trade, I completely understand. If you're not, I'm not sure, because the whole point, like I said, if I was to take a loss, it's only to jump into another opportunity. Now, if you're talking about these stock symbols that we're trading, TX, LDI, SMED. SMED is going crazy. I'm going to call them again and ask for an email, because I left a message 2 times already for someone that they're saying at the company is the right person to contact about investor relations that definitely knows what's going on. They have not called me back. I'm very disappointed. Probably going to call back later on today and get an email of someone else. I'm going to ask for an email of someone else. In any case, the only reason I'm saying these symbols is because these companies are profitable. Now I had a couple of ultimate traders in my elite group were asking me, do you think LDI will ever come back? The only thing with all these stocks, and these stocks are profitable, most of these stuff in my plays, remember these are on my plays. They're on my plays because the companies are executing. If I decide to sell, it's not because the stock price. It's not because the stock price. I'm ready to sell when the company is not executing. I mentioned that because they report every 3 months. Right now we're June 18th. The second quarter for most companies ends June 30th. Earnings season starts again around July 15th. It kicks off again. I say that because every 3 months we have a chance, if we're in a defensive stock that makes cash, to get out. So what do I expect to happen on the next report of these companies like TX, XMED, 1W, some people, I think we're taking a loss on VIPS. These companies are on plays because they execute. They beat earnings. They beat earnings big time. I expect all of them to beat again. I expect a company like LDI, I'm going to try to reach out again. I sent out an email again to beat earnings and now come in with cash. Stop with the dividends. These new traders of past the pandemic, now retail is like over 20% of volume, do not care about dividends. Take that cash because 1W is giving out about $30 million in cash in a few weeks from now. Take $5 million. Do you know what $5 million in the market will do to your stock? And if you time it well, your stock will moon. You don't want to give dividends. Come on, you do not want to give dividends. You want to raise share price so that your insiders, your executives have an exit strategy if they want to sell. And then your traders, your investors will be happier with the stock price high, not $1.80, because the stock was down almost $2. So what was the point? So once again, your exit. So my belief on all these 3 months, and right now the second quarter is almost over. So I mean, I can't tell anyone what to do, but on these stocks, they have earnings, they have cash flows. I expect worst case scenario that every 3 months we will have the opportunity to sell again. So that's this video. It's about if you decide to sell, my expectations are, remember, I'm not disappointed in anyone. I'm disappointed in these companies because these companies earn money. What they need to do after the pandemic is authorize a share buyback. Whenever the stock dips, come out with news saying you're authorizing a share buyback. I mean, I'm disappointed in these companies because they make money. So there's no reason the stock should be down 15, 20, 30% when you have cash in hand. Okay, let's get into trading. Good luck today, everyone.